What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are taking an in-depth look at a custom bobber that brings pure beach vibes, laid-back cruising, and striking retro style straight from the factory. This is the all-new Royal Enfield Goan Classic 350 in Rave Red. Let's walk around this stunning bobber together. The presence of this Rave Red finish is unbelievable. It features a teardrop fuel tank painted in two-tone glossy red and deep black, separated by a crisp white pinstripe and finished with a classic round chrome Royal Enfield wing badge. It is built for riders who want factory custom personality, relaxed ergonomics, and pure retro charm. Walking around to the wheels, this is where the Goan Classic truly stands out from the crowd. It comes factory-fitted with red anodized wire-spoked rims wrapped in genuine Whitewall tires. The classic Whitewall setup, 19 inches at the front and 16 inches at the rear, gives it an authentic 1950s custom bobber stance. Braking performance is handled by front and rear hydraulic discs with Bybre calipers and dual-channel ABS for confident stopping power. Moving along the side, look at the glossy black side covers featuring elegant Goan Classic 350 script badges. The floating solo bobber seat is plushly padded and set at an ultra-accessible seat height of just 750 millimeters. It allows riders of any height to plant both feet flat on the ground effortlessly. Plus, the rear passenger pillion seat is mounted cleanly over the rear mudguard and can easily be detached if you want that raw, clean solo bobber look. Now let's focus on the heart of this machine. Powering the Goan Classic is Royal Enfield's smooth 345cc air-oil-cooled single-cylinder J-Series engine. It produces 20.2 horsepower and 27 newton-meters of low-end torque through a 5-speed gearbox. The long, straight-pipe exhaust in matte black produces a deep, soothing single-cylinder thumping sound that makes cruising along coastal highways an absolute joy. Stepping into the rider's cockpit, you are greeted by tall, chrome ape-hanger barrel bars. They put you in a comfortable, wind-in-your-face riding posture that feels incredibly empowering. Up front, you get a classic round LED headlight with a chrome cowl paired with an analog speedometer housing a small digital LCD trip display and vintage-style rotary handlebar switches. Checking out the Eco sticker tag, fuel economy averages a stellar 35.7 kilometers per liter. With a 13-liter fuel tank, you have plenty of range for long weekend road trips. To wrap things up, the Royal Enfield Goan Classic 350 in Rave Red is a show-stopping factory custom. Priced at 149,000 baht, it brings Whitewall tires, ape-hanger bars, a low 750mm seat, and proven 350cc thumper performance. So, what do you think about this Rave Red Goan Classic 350? Do you love the Whitewall tires or the ape-hanger bars more? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Catch you in the next video. See ya!